Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fill an appeal from for a suspended Etsy account. So if your Etsy account got suspended and you want to contact Etsy so that you can restore your Etsy account or restore your Etsy store, then this video is for you. Okay, so if your Etsy account or if Etsy store has been suspended for more than 6 months, then there is no way to get your Etsy store back. Okay, so you will have to create a new store. I already made multiple videos about how you can create a new store after getting suspended. Okay, after your first store got suspended, how you can create a new store and not get suspended again. Okay, so as you can see here, you may receive this message that says you may be unable to access your account. That means this account has been suspended for over 6 months, and of course this account is actually suspended for 6 months, as you can see. Now, okay, so what you guys need to do is just search on Google. Okay, search here on your browser, search for Etsy appeal suspension. Okay, you want to search here for Etsy appeal suspension. Click on this first result, which says how to fill an appeal for a permanently suspended account. Okay, so what you guys need to do next is you want to scroll down, okay, and you want to click on fill an appeal. Okay, here you want to enter here your email address and the password, and if you have logged in for your suspended account, you logged in using your Google, click on Google. Now in case this account has been suspended for more than 6 months, this is what the message you are going to receive. I'm going to click on continue and I'm going to show you guys the message you will receive. You will receive this message that you will receive this text that says you may be unable to access your account because this account is gone now, so I'm not going to be able to get it. Now instead I'm going to go to my other account, so like I'm going to show you guys if this works or not. Now this account has not been suspended for over 6 months. It's only for like 1 month. Okay, this account was suspended for only 1 month. Now do the exact same steps, search for its appeal Etsy suspension. Okay, appeal Etsy search, and then click the first results that says how to fill an appeal for a permanently suspended Etsy okay, so Etsy account. Now you want to scroll down and click on fill an appeal. Okay, of course you will have to read all these policies. Okay, as you can, they also say here you have 6 months from the day your account was suspended to fill an appeal. Just like what I said at the beginning, guys, if you miss this window, your account will remain permanently suspended and you won't be able to appeal. Now click on fill an appeal, and here they will ask you guys the reason. Of course they will not see here, they will not say anything that says suspended. I don't know why, but the trick is to select this that says I can't sign in into my account. I think my account might have been hacked. And here you want to click on reach out to us. Okay, here the reason, here you want to enter here your email address. Okay, I'm going to enter here my email address, gmail.com. Of course the email address I have access to, and here the subject. Okay, the subject here I would say my account is suspended for no reason. Okay, if there is a reason, you can state that here. The description, you want to then like give them the details about why your account was suspended. If it's a mistake you made, apologize for it and give them the reasons why you will not be able to do that mistake again, just like that. Okay, just need to enter here the description why your account was suspended, how it was suspended. Okay, for example, I'm going to say my account was suspended. Account was suspended for no reason. Okay, for no reason, and then that's it. Click on send, and then you will receive this, and then you will receive an email within 24 hours. Okay, so if this one helped you, drop a like, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Like if you want to create another account after the first one got suspended, you just need to click on the tutorial in the screen right now, so that you can then learn how you can open a new account. Okay, see you guys in the next one.